Now you can build your own AI image and video generation platform using App Builder, powered by Fable 5 and the supercomputer model, which is currently available for free. I even created GTA 6 style presets without any restrictions, and right now all AI models are completely free and unlimited. Normally, you'd have to spend over $200 to access these features, but today you can use them at no cost. In this video, I'll show you how to build your own AI app and generate stunning GTA 6 style images and videos completely free. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pro Secret. If you are trying to grow your content or business, you must understand the easiest way to use AI tools and keep yourself updated with the latest technology. This will help you stay competitive in the market. That's exactly why I'm using Higgsfield AI is your all-in-one AI platform. All new users get 24 hours of unlimited access to all the top AI models on the Higgsfield website completely free, including Seedance 2.0. If it's not for you, simply cancel within the first 24 hours and you won't pay anything. Otherwise, your subscription will continue. They've also introduced a free mode for the supercomputer, which lets you turn a single prompt into a fully functional app, website, game, browser extension, or interactive prototype. There's no need to write code or switch between different tools. Just describe what you want, and Higgsfield builds it for you. Simply click on Supercomputer, and it will take you to the App Builder. From here, select Apps because we are going to create our own AI image and video generation platform. You can customize your app by adding elements, using templates, selecting skills, and connecting different tools. In the Models section, you'll find all the latest AI models, including Fable 5, GPT 5.6, and many others. The free mode is also available, so you can use supported models without spending any credits. For this tutorial, I'm selecting Fable 5. Next, choose your app type and style. I prefer the custom bot option, but you can select whichever style best fits your project. You'll also see an option to either automatically run all steps or review each step manually. I recommend selecting Auto Run because it makes the entire process much faster. Now, I'll enter my requirements. I want to create a GTA 6 style AI image and video generator using GPT Image 2 for image generation and Seedance 2.0 for video generation. You can add any additional instructions or features based on your own needs. For the app style, I'll choose Higgsfield style, then click Run. Higgsfield will now analyze the request and begin building the application. This may take a few minutes as it creates the interface, configures the AI models, and generates all the required presets for both image and video generation. And just like that, the app is complete. It even creates a built-in instruction page explaining how to use every feature. Both the image and video models have been configured successfully without any additional setup. To start using the app, simply sign in with your Higgsfield account. If you'd like to share your creation, you can publish the app to the Higgsfield community. You can even connect your own custom domain if you have one. Now that the app is published, let's test it and see how well it works. First, let's generate an image. I'll upload my face as the reference image, then select the aspect ratio, resolution, image quality, and the number of images I want to generate. You can also enter your own custom prompt if you'd like to create something unique. For this demo, I'm using one of the built-in GTA 6 style presets. Once everything is set up, I'll click Generate. And here are the results. As you can see, the images look incredibly realistic with excellent facial consistency, cinematic lighting, detailed textures, and the signature GTA 6 inspired visual style. The AI has done a great job preserving my facial features while transforming the overall look into a high-quality game-style portrait. I also tested several of the other presets using the exact same process, and the results are just as impressive. Each preset creates a completely different style and atmosphere while maintaining consistent character details. Whether you are creating cinematic portraits, game-inspired artwork, or social media content, the quality is consistently excellent with very little effort. Now, let's move on to the video generation and see what this app can do. Now let's switch over to video mode. First, I'll select video mode, then choose the aspect ratio. After that, I'll set the video duration, which supports videos of up to 15 seconds. Next, I'll decide whether I want to enable audio in the generated video. If you want more accurate or customized results, you can also add your own custom prompt with additional details. Once everything is ready, I'll select one of the GTA 6 style video presets and click Generate. And here is the final result. As you can see, the video looks incredibly cinematic and feels like it came straight out of a GTA 6 style game. The character consistency is impressive, the camera movements are smooth, the lighting and environments are highly detailed, and the overall animation quality gives it a realistic next-generation game look. It's hard to believe this was created entirely with AI in just a few clicks. The best part is that you can experiment with different presets and prompts to create unique cinematic scenes, trailers, or short films while maintaining the same high-quality visual style. Right now, you can build your own apps completely free using Supercomputer Free mode. Beyond app creation, you can build websites, games, browser extensions, interactive tools, and much more, all from a single prompt. With Higgsfield's latest offer, you can also generate unlimited videos using Seedance 2.0 without spending a single dollar during the free access period. On top of that, you'll get access to many of the latest AI models, making it one of the best platforms for AI creators. I'll leave the link in the description below, so be sure to check it out and start building your own AI apps. And if you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments what you think about my GTA 6 presets and what kind of AI app you'd like to build next. I'd love to hear your ideas. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.